Can you guys see that in the sunlight? Like, look at those shimmers. Like, they're so pretty. Oh my god. I just want to show you guys what the look came out to be. It's so pretty, so fun. I love the lip and the pink color in my eye. It definitely pops with the lip. Hi guys, how are you? If you guys like this look and you want to try it, make sure you at me at lex.glam on Instagram and Alexa Pursing on YouTube. If you like my videos, make sure you click the bell on YouTube and turn on my post notifications on Instagram at lex.glam so you guys could see whenever I post new videos. If you guys want to see this fun summery look, keep on watching. Today I'm gonna be doing a first impressions on the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette. It's really pretty, like the colors are very unique. So for the face today, I'm not using a heavy foundation, like a full coverage one. I'm gonna be using a BB cream, and my favorite BB cream that I have is this Garnier one. And then I like to mix it with this Stay Matte by Rimmel because this one is a little liquidy and this one will help it. And they're two different colors. So the Garnier one is darker than like what I would use. So this one definitely helps like balance out the color. So then I'm gonna use a stippling brush to just mix it all in. I look crazy right now, but I'm gonna mix it. So I like to go in with the stippling brush to just mix it around and, you know, get the color mixed. And then I like to go in with a sponge to make sure it's packed in there and it's all good. I'm just gonna go in with my Real Techniques sponge just to, you know, pat it all down. Next I'm gonna go in with my Fit Me loose powder. This one I like to put under my eyes to set it. So instead of using translucent powder, I like to use this. I take my wet Real Techniques sponge and just put it underneath my eye and bring it up. And then same on this side. And then just a little on my forehead. So I let that set in for about a minute or two, and then I'm just gonna take my fluffy brush just to brush it all out. Then I'm gonna go in with my flat brush. And I'm going to use the Fit Me pressed powder. I just take it on my flat brush and just blend that powder that we set in before. And I go over it a little. I didn't use concealer or anything because I'm trying to go for the spring, you know, beachy type of look. So when you go out like that, it's not really a whole caked face. Yeah, next I'm going to go in with a bronzer. I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Cocoa Contour palette. So I'm just going to take a flat top brush. And I'm going to go in with the dark one, the dark cocoa. It's more of a bronzer, so I'm going to do that one first. Just put that. I normally like to go from the top of my ear to like the middle of my cheek. That's where I think cheekbones are supposed to be. So that's where I go. And then I make that line, and then I'll go blend it out with a different brush with the lighter, the medium cocoa one. The medium one, it's more of a gray tone, so this one would be a contour color and the other one would be a bronzer. So I do like to blend them together. Also with the medium color, I'm going to take that on my forehead because it is gray toned. So I'm just going to take that up here and into my hairline so it blends nicely. This one I use for like an everyday because it does have shimmer in it, so I really love it. But the other one's matte. I'm gonna use the matte one. I'm just gonna take like a really big stippling brush, dip it in, smile, and blend it. I like to use this big stippling brush because it does blend the blush with your contour, so I really like that. And then if you feel like it's too dark, I think it's too dark on this side, I'm going to take that fluffy brush that I brushed away the setting powder that I had on before. So I'm just gonna pat it here and on this side. Yep. So I do like to use this Real Techniques one. It's very fluffy and I love it. I used it so much I can't even tell what number it is, so, or what it says. But if you see this in the store, get it. This one's good. I don't like to bring my highlight all the way here. I feel like it looks so bad. So I like to just leave it in the corner over here. I love glitter and I love the highlight. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the palette. So I'm gonna go in with Sherbet and I'm just gonna put it in the whole crease, like above my crease, because I am gonna use this as a transition shade. Then I'm gonna go in this eye and just, it's a very light shade, but if you do keep packing it on, it does get darker. I could see it in the mirror. I don't know if you guys could tell on camera because how crappy my camera is, because it is my iPhone, but I could definitely see it here. So I'm gonna clean off my brush really quick with this brush cleaner. It's called Super Clean by Beauty So Clean. So I'm actually gonna take that fluffy brush and go in with Coral Punch, which is this peachy shade right here. I'm gonna take this in my crease now and just blend it. Next, I'm gonna use the same brush and I'm gonna go in with Ice Pop. I'm just gonna put this right in the corner of my eye. So I'm putting it right there. Wow. And I'm blending it out, and then I'm gonna take it up a little bit, but not too far, maybe to like the middle of my eye. So I should have put a primer on my eyes before I started, or concealer or something. If you just keep packing it on, it will get more vibrant. So I'm just packing it on there. Next I'm gonna go in with that new brush that I got from Moda. This one is the M13. I'm gonna take that brush and I'm gonna go in with Lemonade Craze, the really bright yellow color, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. So you may want to wet your brush for this or put concealer on your eyes or something, because it's not that pigmented. Definitely take that into consideration. So I have a little bit left of this Sephora setting spray, so I'm just gonna use this. I'm gonna spray it a little bit on my brush, and then I'm gonna go back in with the Lemonade Craze all over my lid. Looks better. Then I'm gonna go in with the fluffy brush. I'm gonna go in with Berry Ice to just blend it all out. So I'm just gonna go in from the inner corner of my eye all the way out to the end. I'm just still taking that flat brush and going in on the lid with Lemonade Craze. Okay, so now that my eyes are done, I'm gonna do my eyebrows and then we're gonna highlight the eyes. So for my brows, I've been really liking this Maybelline Total Temptation. This one is in Blonde 300, because I am blonde. Take one of these spoolies that you could take from Sephora, and I like to just bring it up, brush them all up. So sometimes after a while you just want to make like little lines on your hand to make sure that it's good to go. So I take the end of it and I make a line and I go all the way down with it, and I'll do the same for this one, and then just brush it through. I'm taking a skinnier spoolie to blend it all together because it was really sharp, and so I'm just blending it and mixing the product all throughout my brow like that. And then what I want to do on the top is I just bring it down and I just make it more defined on the top. Okay, so now that my brows are done, I'm gonna go in with the Real Techniques shading brush, it's called. This one I'm gonna go in on my brow bone and my inner corner. Sorry, my shades look really weird, the lines. So I'm gonna go in with Main Squeeze, and I'm gonna put this on the inner corner of my eyes, on my brow bone, to highlight that. And what I like to do is just sweep it out so it could connect with your highlight. For my inner corner of my eyes, I use the brush, but I'm gonna go back in with my finger. Get it on my finger, and look at how freaking beautiful that color is. So I'm just gonna go in on the inner corner, on each eye. And what I like to do is bring it down because I just love the highlight of it. So, and I like to just smooth it. And I'm gonna try this new mascara from Revlon. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes. What I like to do is look down at the mirror, put my lashes through, and look the other way and squeeze. And then I'm gonna do it the same on the other side. It's not that bad. These damn lawnmowers. I'm just gonna add a little glitter. This one is it was like $6 at Primark. If you live in Staten Island or in the UK, you could get this. So if not, you could use the Milk glitter stick. So I'm just gonna take it and just go on the side, just tap it, because it is very, like, literally one tap and that's it. So I'm gonna go in with a lip. This is the Soft Matte Lip Cream by NYX. This one is in 17. So now what you want to do is, I have this all-nighter setting spray by Urban Decay, so you just want to do a couple sprays so it can last all day. So I just hold it far back and then close my eyes. And my first impressions on it, I really do love it. I love how shimmery all the shades are. They all have shimmer to it, but there are very pigmented ones. And I do like the unique colors that I used today. I'm definitely looking forward to using the darker ones. Maybe I'll do another look on that. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see a look on the other shades. I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys try, and if you like it, let me know. Like, comment, and subscribe.